Hello everyone, welcome you all in my channel Knowledge Center Computer. If you are a new user on my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification first. In this class we are going to discuss two important concepts of HTML5, that is audio and video tag. In this class we are going to discuss what are these tags, how they are performed, and how we can use them in actually HTML. So we are going to discuss and practical also. Everyone, those who are designing websites, web pages, they are required to insert some audio files and video files in their web pages or websites. So we are discussing here how we can insert audio and video tag. So let's start with this. First tag is here HTML audio tag. As we know, HTML audio tag is used to define sounds such as music and other audio clips. Currently there are three supported file format for HTML5 audio tag. It means if you want to insert an audio in your HTML web page, we can insert three types of audio files: MP3, WAV or OGG. MP3, WAV and OGG. It means only three file formats are supported by audio tag. HTML5 support video and audio control. The flash, silver light and similar technology are used to play the multimedia items. So here there is a given table, and this table defines that which web browser support which audio file format. We should remember this also when we are executing our web page or website. That time we should consider which web browser is supporting audio files. So I am highlighting some two browsers, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, and as you can see, three file format, that is MP3, WAV and OGG. All three file formats are supported by both types of browsers. Maybe some Safari is not supporting in OGG always. Opera does not support MP3, as well as IE Internet Explorer does not support WAV and OGG also. So we should remember also this. Now let's check an example and try to make the HTML code. As you can see in this code, HTML body, audio control and source src, that is a file name of MP3, and type audio MPEG. As mentioned here, your browser does not support the HTML file. If your browser is not supporting that, in that case this message will be displayed there. And audio, as you can see here, we are only using this code for inserting an audio file in the HTML file. So I am just copy paste this code in Notepad ++ editor I am using. Paste this and save this file. On desktop I have created a folder, that is audio video, and here I am giving audio.html, the file extension. But remember this, on desktop this is the folder. In this folder you can see there is a file demo, that is MP3 file. But I can check the properties. Which type of this file? This is MP3 file. It is mentioned type of file. In type of file it is mentioned MP3. So we can support MP3. So I am using this file here, demo MP3. Save this file. Here I am using code audio and then some attributes like controls. This attribute control is used to show the controls like start, pause, like that. Then source src, where image is stored. In this case HTML file and my MP3 file both are located on a same location. That's why no requirement to give the path, just give the name of file and extension. In type you have to mention audio /MPEG. In all three formats, OGG, WAV and MP3, you have to mention type audio.mpeg, and then whatever message you want to give here, and then audio tag close. I think code is easy. So save this file, and now I am executing this file in Chrome browser, and in Chrome browser you can see the result of this web page. Here it is loading, and after loading this you can see these controls are there, and the size of this, time of this audio file is 4.52 seconds, and this is control for sound, and you can play, and as you can listen also. In this you can listen, there is a sound is going on. So as we can see, the audio file is working here. You can control the mute like that, sound volume ups and down like that. So Audiotape is clear. Now we are trying to understand. Next topic is like supporting browsers. It means elements. Audiotape, that is element, is supported by Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera and Safari. It means we can play audio file in Chrome as well as Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera and Safari. But if your file extension is .mp3, then all are supported by this except Opera. So in this tag you can understand how we are using attribute of HTML audio tag. You can see here these are the some controls, or we can say attribute of the audio tag, that is control. We already used control here, controls. Second one is autoplay. As you can see, when we execute this, the mp3 was on stop condition, but if I am using here autoplay, then it will execute start automatically, because we are giving autoplay control here. Save this file and refresh the browser, and in this case autoplay, and then here you start this, and you can see this got started. These loop, muted, preloaded and src for source, and preloaded, muted, you can mute also, and loop, it means when the file will execute or the song will play continuously and after ending the audio it will start again. So we can use loop also there. I think it is clear how to use Audiotape. Second file is attribute here with Audiotape video tag. Here you mention autoplay, then loop. So we already using this file autoplay, loop. So you can see we can use loop here also. Then save this file and execute this file again. You can see the result on Google Chrome. It will start, and when it will finish, as you can see, automatically started again. So in this way Audiotape works. Next tag is here, video tag. HTML5 support video tag also. The HTML video tag is used to streaming video files such as a movie clip, song clip on the web page. Currently there are 3 video formats supported for HTML, that is MP4, WAV or OGG. Remember this OGG extension is for open source formats. And here the table also mention both browsers are supported all 3 types of formats as MP4, WebM and OGG. So here we are using one example, and first I am copying paste this code in as notepad, new file, and save this video.html. And now I am explaining how it is this code we are writing. In body tag I am using video and controls. For a control attribute, show the controls to start, volume like that, and source src movie.mp4. As you can see in my folder I have already mentioned a video, that movie, and in properties you can see the type of file, that is MP4. So I am including here movie.mp4 and typing video/mp4. As we in audio, here type video, then mpg, then here mp4. Same statement, your browser does not support the HTML video tag. If we are executing this file in such type of browser where video tag does not support it, then it will be show there. Then video tag closes and execute. Now this video tag open with Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome you can see the result of this. As you can see, video format is there. I am clicking on this and you can see video was started. So in this way we can insert a video in a web page. So I think this code is clear for you. Let's see the example of play .org file using HTML video tag. In this, if you have a .org format file, you can insert here src, simply name the file .org is the extension and type video.org. In previous we are using mp4. So in this way HTML5 video tag works. There are some attributes also there. You can define the height and width of this file. Controls were there: poster, autoplay, loop, muted, preloaded, and src. I think lots of attributes are also repeating, because autoplay was also there in mp3, loop was muted, preloaded, and src, like this. You can see these attributes and put all these attributes here in video, width, height, controls, autoplay, loop, like this. Here we are just using only single attribute, that is controls, and we are using this. You can use this line in this code, here, and save this file. Now you can see the height and width of this. So height, width, I think this is setted. So I am increasing the size of this and try to run this file video, and you can see the screen got increases because we have given a long width. So I am giving here 4, and here I am giving 440. Save this file and refresh the web browser, and you can see the size of height and width got increase of this video. In this way we can insert a video tag in our HTML web page file. Here if you want to insert any YouTube file also, you can give the link of YouTube file directly here. In src you can copy paste the link of any video there and paste here and execute this. Video file will be execute in web browser. I think this is clear for you how audio tag and video tag will be execute in HTML web page. So thank you so much, and we are giving the whatever study material we are using in this video. The link of this material will be available in description. You can download from there and use it. Please like it and subscribe and share with your friends also. Thank you for this watching.